Good morning, children. Hope you have listened to the previous class. There we studied about inexhaustible and exhaustible natural resources. Today, let us learn more about some exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum, and natural gas. These are also known as fossil fuels. Children, have you heard of fossils? What are fossils? Fossils are the dead remains of plants and animals, isn't it? They were buried under the soil due to some natural calamities like floods or earthquakes. From these fossils, these natural resources are formed. So they are known as fossil fuels. Let us learn the first one, the coal. Have you seen it or heard about? It is a hard substance like stone and is black in color. Let us see its uses. Coal is one of the fuels used to cook food. Earlier, it was used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. Nowadays, diesel or electricity is used for that. It is used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. It is also used as fuel in various industries. How is coal formed? Let us study its story. About 300 million years ago, the earth had thick forest in low-lying wetland areas. Due to natural processes like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. More and more soil was deposited over them and they were compressed. This increased the temperature and the pressure inside. So, due to this high pressure and temperature, these plants got converted into coal. This coal mainly contains carbon. So, this conversion of dead plants into coal is called carbonization. Have you got it? There are a number of coal mines in our country where coal is dug out from under the earth. When coal is heated in the air, it burns and carbon dioxide gas is produced. Coal is processed in the industry to get some useful products such as coke, coal tar, coal gas, etc. Coke is a tough, porous, and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. That means not much other components are present in it. Major component is carbon only. It is used in the steel industry and also in the extraction of many metals from their ores. Coal tar. You might have seen coal tar, a black thick liquid at road surfacing sites. Isn't it? So it is a mixture of 200 substances. Products obtained from coal tar are used as starting materials for manufacturing various substances used in everyday life and in industry. Some of the products are synthetic dyes, drugs or medicines, explosives, perfumes, plastics, and etc. Another interesting thing which is produced from that is white naphthalene balls. Do you know that? We call it as pataguliga or kuramittai. Now got it now. So these are also obtained from coal tar. It is used to repel moths or insects. Nowadays, instead of coal tar, another petroleum product called bitumen is used for metalling the road. Another product from coal is coal gas. It is a byproduct obtained during the process of coal to get coke. It is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants or industries. In the early years of 19th century, coal gas was used for street lighting. Nowadays, it is used as a source of heat rather than light. So, read the textbook and study, children. Okay.